Yeah.
Well, hello, this is Brewer here, and today I want to show you something. How to become a millionaire using math. I know this may sound a little weird, but let me give you a good example. See this mug? Let's pretend that this mug sells for $5. Now, let me show you the formula. So what you want to do is you want to bring up your calculator. You want to have 1 million divided by the price you are selling, and that's how many times you guys sell it, or how many of the items you guys sell. Thanks for watching.